Now in this video, I will talk about present value. What's present value? The amount of money that needs to be invested now to get a certain amount of money in the future is called present value. For example, if you deposit $1,000 in a bank today at 10% interest, you will get $1,100 after 1 year. Here, $1,000 is the present value. The technique of determining present value is called discounting method. The amount of money decreases according to present value. The higher the interest rate, the lower the present value. If future value, annual interest rate, and number of years are given, then present value can be computed using the formula. PV means present value equal FB, which is future value, multiplied by 1, then divided by 1 plus R, means annual interest rate, whole to the power n, which is number of years. Let's go to the Excel sheet to see a live demo. As you can see on the screen, future value, number of periods, and annual interest rate were provided. For computing present value with the given data, we need to put equal sign, type PV, double tap on it to see the formula. Then click on C5 cell for annual interest rate, put comma, then click on C4 cell for number of periods, put comma, as no payment, type 0, put comma, type minus, and click on C3 cell for future value, put comma, type 0 to show end of the period, close the bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, the present value is shown $9,208.70. Thanks for watching.